drowning, you're seeing doubles. Don't you let them see your struggles, hiding your tears. Crisis, take advantage of your niceness, cut you up in even slices, prey on your fears. You think you're better than them, better